Shawty wants the word. Tell me what you want.
Come to Mr. C's Car Wash. We're on 44th and McDowell. We do it all. We do detail, buffing, waxing, headlights, taillights, motors, carpets, seats.
Where you at? Pull up with a sack. Pull up in a hat. Skirt off really fast. I just want that cash. I just want that cash. Yeah, shawty,
where you
at? Yeah, shawty, where you at? Yeah, I know that I'm good. She know that she good. I'm rolling the wood. Misunderstood. I'm misunderstood. Hey, you wish that you could. Hey, I told all them niggas I do this shit. My bitch is so bad, they like, who that bitch? That's foreign.